Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you a quick how to replace the camera lens guide on the iPhone XS Max mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, on the rear side camera, using a heat gun or hairdryer, apply little heat to soften the glue on the broken lens. If your camera lens has cracked like this device, taking out the lens pieces may take some time. To take out the broken pieces, you can use a tweezer or sharp head tool. Be gentle in this process because the camera and flash sensor are easy to damage. Once you take out the pieces, use a brush to clean the surface, and also can use cleaning liquid or alcohol to clean out the dust bits on the camera lens area. Next, take the new camera lens and place it on the body with adhesive. Once you have installed it, make sure it sits securely and then clean the outer surface. Hope you have enjoyed the camera lens replacement guide on the iPhone XS Max mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button.